Welcome to Colossus Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. In today's class we are going to be talking about the sine rule. So what do we use the sine rule for? We use the sine rule to find the angle of a triangle, and we also use it to find the side. So depending on the parameters that we have, that is what we are going to be using sine rule for. So in this video you are going to be learning about the labeling convection. You are going to be learning about the sine rule, and then we are going to be using to find sides and angle. All right, so let's see. So in this particular part, the first thing you have to understand is the anatomy of a triangle. What do we mean by anatomy of a triangle? The anatomy of a triangle is like studying the structural property of a triangle. Now we said to solve triangles that aren't right angle, that means the triangles that are not a right angle. You know, a right angle is of this form. You know, this is a right angle. So any other angle that is not a right angle, that means like a complete angle, you have to use what we call a sine rule. I get what I'm saying. So we must use a standardized labeling system. This ensures our formula works every time. Are you following now? So for us to ensure that our formula will work every time, we need to use some formulas. All right, so now for the labeling convection, the first thing you have to do is, when you want to solve any question on triangle, the first thing you have to do is to label. You label the vertices. What are the vertices? The vertices are the points where two lines met. So like you can see this A, that is a particular vertex. That's why we label it, and the capital letters represent the angle, the small letter represent the what? The sides. I get what I'm saying. And also when you label an angle A like this, the side will be the what? The small letter. I get what I'm saying. The place facing it directly will be the what? The side. And you can see the same thing as what? As angle what? Angle B. You can see that the side is what? Side B. And you can see angle C. You can see the side is what? Side C. I get what I'm saying now. So that is what we are saying, that what? You label the opposite side with what? With lowercase. And they say that side A is always opposite what? Angle A. That's what I just explained. Side B is always opposite angle B. Side B is always opposite angle what? Angle B. And side C is always opposite what? Angle C. Do you see that now? So that is the first thing you have to know about that. Now, when you have a triangle like this, how will I know if I am to apply the sine rule or another rule? I get what I'm saying. That is the first thing that we need to know. Now, what is the sine rule? What does the sine rule say? The sine rule says that the ratio of each side, the sine rule states that what? The ratio of each side to the sine of its opposite angle is what? Is constant. That is A over sine A. That's the formula you are seeing here. A over sine A equal to B over sine B equal to what? C over what? Over sine C. Are you seeing that now? So that is what this rule is saying. The rule says that A over sine A equal to B over sine B equal to C over sine C. We used to sing a song while I was in secondary school, and the song is sine rule states that A over sine A equal to B over sine B equal to C over sine C. Sing with me. A over sine A equal to B over sine B equal to C over sine C. Are you seeing that now? So once you know this song, it will help you remember the sine rule anytime, any day. For the last time, let's sing it together. The song is what? A over sine A equal to B over sine B equal to C over sine C. Are you seeing that now? That is what the sine rule says. All right. So when do you use the sine rule? When do you use the sine rule? The first thing you have to know is, if you want to find the side, you have to look for two sides. I get what I'm saying. You have to look for a side. You can't use the three at a time. I get what I'm saying. So it's either you are using A over sine A equal to what? B over sine B, or you are using sine A over A equal to B equal to sine B over B. It is still the same thing. I get what I'm saying. I can still say sine A over what? I can still say sine A over A equal to what? Sine B over what? Over B. Are you seeing that now? We are still saying the same thing. We are still saying what? The same thing. Somebody say we are still saying the same thing. Yeah, we are still saying the same thing. All right. So now, when do you use the sine rule? Yes, this is the deciding matrix. When do you use the sine rule? You can use the sine rule when you have two cases. You can use sine rule when you have two cases. Case one when you can use the sine rule is when you have angle side. When you have what? Angle side, or side angle. When you have what? Angle side angle. Again, angle side angle. Again, angle side angle. Are you seeing that now? These are the cases where you can use what? The sine rule. So you are going to be seeing the condition being played in our example here now. Are you seeing that now? So let's look at the first example. Don't forget, I said you can use it to find sides, and you can also use it to find what? Angles. So now in this particular video, we are going to be using it to find side. So now let us solve. Are you ready to solve with me? Let us solve. There is no learning without solving. All right, in mathematics you solve. So now if you look at our triangle here, we have a triangle here. So let's draw that out. We have a triangle, a very nice triangle here. So now you can see this triangle like this. The triangle is like this. Are you seeing that now? Don't mind this thing. Let me redraw that here. Are you seeing this now? That's the first side, and then we have another one like this. We have another one. Don't mind my diagram. And then we have another one like this. So we have x. We have this place to be x. Then we have 9 centimeter. We have 9 centimeter, and then we have an angle here, angle 59. And then we have another angle here, angle what? Angle 44 degree. Are you seeing that now? So I'm to look for what? X. Are you seeing what I'm saying now? I'm to find my what? My x. Now this is the beauty of sine rule. Don't forget, the first thing you must do is to what? Is to label the side. I get what I'm saying now. So let's call this. So let's call this our A. So since I don't have any angle there, so I don't need that particular part. So let's just label what we have. So let's call this one A, and let's call this one what? B. Are you seeing that now? So that means our angle A is what? 59. Are you seeing that now? 59 degree. And our side A will be what? The one facing it. Are you seeing that now? Which is what? 9 centimeter. Are you seeing that now? And angle B is what? Angle B is what? 44 degree. Are you seeing that now? Angle B is 44 degree, and then the one facing it is what? Our side B, which is what now? X centimeter. Are you seeing that? And that is what we are looking for. All right, so now work with me. The formula says what? A over sine A. Are you seeing that now? A over sine A equal to what? B over what? Over sine B. Are you seeing that now? B over sine what? Sine B. So what would that be? What's your A? Your A is what? 9 over sine what? Sine 59. Are you seeing that now? Over sine 50 what? 59. Are you seeing that now? Equal to what? B. What's your B? X, Abby. And then sine B is what? Sine 44. Are you seeing that now? So what's the next thing you are going to do? You are going to cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, you will have 9 multiplied by what? Sine 44 equal to what? Equal to x multiplied by what? Sine 59. Are you seeing that now? So to make your work much more easy, so what you do here, just divide both sides by what? By sine 59, so that x will stand alone. Sine 59. Sine 59. Are you seeing that now? So this one will cancel this, so that I will have x is equal to what? 9 multiplied by what? Sine 44 over what? Over sine 59. Are you seeing that now? So that now give us 9 multiplied by. So on your calculator, I have mine here. On your calculator, you press your sine 54, sine 44 rather, sine 44. That will give us 0.6947 approximately. And then sine 59, that will give us 0.8572 approximately also. Are you seeing that now? So now I'll multiply 9 by, so 9 times 0.6947, that would give us 6.2523. Are you seeing that now? All over, then divided by 0.8572. So if I divide this by 0.8572, I would have, my final answer here will be what? 7.2939. Are you seeing that? 7.2939. So this is my value of x. So if I want to approximate to nearest, if I want to approximate to 2 decimal place, that means I will have 7.29. So this to 2 decimal place. Are you seeing that now? This to 2 decimal place. So if I want to put it in 1 decimal place, that will be what? 7.3 centimeter. You can see. So that means our side x here is what? Is 7 centimeter, 7.3 centimeter. Can you see that now? You can see. So that is the beauty of this thing. All right, so we have another example here. We have another example which I believe that you should be able to solve. So in this particular example here now, let's label. You can see our a here. Let's change this pen here. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So you can see here, this is angle A. Our angle A here is what? Is 63 degree. They already labeled it. Angle A is what? Is 63 degree, and that means side A is what? Is x. Are you seeing that now? And then angle B is what? Is 48 degree. Are you seeing that now? And then side B is equal to what? Side B is equal to 12 centimeter. All right, so let's solve that. All right, let me bring that up to this. Oh, no. I want to bring everything here out. So we have our value already here. I want to move it to somewhere I can solve. Why do you do this now? Okay, I'm trying to move that. I'm coming up, please. I just want so that we'll not have to be writing again. Are you following that now? I'm trying to move. I'll move it again. Moving this thing is not easy. Alright, so I'm just trying to move. Yes, I've been able to move it here now. So let me move this value also. Don't worry, let me just leave this. I already know that my A is what? My A is 63 degree. So let me just write that here. Our A is equal to what? 63 degree. So I believe you can solve this now. Yes or yes. So you can pause this video and try to solve this particular example. So solving it, I have A over sine A A over sine A equal to what? Equal to B over what? Over sine B. Are you seeing that now? A over sine A equal to what? B over sine B. And that will give us, what's our A? Our A is what? X over sine 63. Are you seeing that now? Sine 63 degree equal to what? B. What's your B? Your B is what? 12. Are you seeing that now? Over what? Sine B, which is what? Sine 48. Are you seeing that now? So if you cross multiply this 48, if you cross multiply, you will have what? X multiplied by what? Sine 48. Are you seeing that now? Equal to what? Equal to 12. Equal to 12 times sine 63. Are you seeing that now? Equal to 12 times sine 63. So what's the next thing I said you do? Divide by what? By sine 48, so that your S can stand alone. By sine 48. Are you seeing that now? So dividing that, I will have this cancel this. Are you seeing that now? Such that X will be equal to what? 12 multiplied by sine 63. Sine 63. That will give us 0.8910 approximately, all over sine 48. Sine 48. That will give us 0.7431 approximately also. So 0.7431 approximately. So that means our X will be equal to, I will do 12 multiplied by 0.8910. So that will give us 10.692 all over 0.7431. I guess so I'll divide this one by what? By 0.7431. So that will give us what? 14.3884. Are you seeing that now? So 3884. That's our answer. So but I can say that what? That X is approximately to 2 decimal place. I can say, so this is 4. So I can say it is the same thing as what? As 14.39. This is to what? 2 decimal place. Are you seeing that now? 2 decimal place. And if it is to 1 decimal place, I can say X is equal to what? 14.4 centimeter. Are you seeing that now? So this is how you solve questions on the what? Sine rule. So what we did in this video is to find the side of a sine. Don't forget, the condition to use it is either you have angle side, or what? Or side angle. AAS or what? SSA. So those are the 2 conditions involved to use this. So in the next video, I will be solving for angles. You can see in this video we only solved for what? For sides. So in the next video, I'll be solving and finding what? Angles. All right, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And for students of God's Own School, make sure you submit your assignment to the right authority. All right, so and if in case you need a private personalized class, feel free to message my personalized WhatsApp number 07052609233. So that is my personalized WhatsApp number for a personalized private class online. So feel free to message me, and if you have questions also, feel free to message me also. All right, so as a culture, let's give assignment before we go. There is no class without assignments. All right, so the first, as I have 3 assignments for you. So this is the first assignment. You have to find the side. Are you seeing that now? There is also another assignment. You have to find the side. You have to find the side. So this is number 2 assignment. Let me move it like this so that it will not jam together. That's number 2 assignment. And then the final assignment, which is the number 3 assignment, is this particular question. All right, so do the assignment, submit your assignments, and we would be good together. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. I will see you in the next video. Peace.